This week we're in Brussels. There's a session of the Parliament being held and committees are meeting. As usual, it's a very busy week and a lot going on. And I'm delighted to say that I'm joined today by my colleague, my long-standing colleague in the Parliament, Ian Hudghton from the Scottish National Party, but also by two UK young ambassadors. I'll ask them to introduce themselves and say a bit about who they are and what they are doing here this week.
I'm Lauren Crawford. I'm the UK Young Ambassador for Wales. I'm studying in the University of South Wales, and I'm here to learn more about politics in Europe and to spread the word about what the UK Young Ambassadors do.
Hi, my name is Blessy Maragere. I'm the UK Young Ambassador to England, and my role is to represent young people in England and make sure we engage with the decision makers in the EU and young people. So I'm here today to learn more about EU politics and how we can work together with decision makers in EU and young people.
Well, it's great to have you here, and we were talking earlier about some of the things that you want from us as politicians, and one of the things was voting at 16. Now, Ian knows all about this because, of course, they did this in Scotland for the referendum. Was it a success? Should we do it at all levels?
So I certainly believe that votes at 16 at all levels of elections and referendums should be the norm. And when we had the power to do that in Scotland for our independence referendum, we did so. It's long-standing SNP policy that we should be encouraging people to vote at 16, and we have, as part of the post-referendum process, won the power from Westminster to implement that for the Scottish Parliament elections too in a couple of years' time. So I hope that Scotland's example will be picked up across the UK and indeed across Europe.
Thank you, Ian. There's a lot, of course, that we learn from Scotland and from other countries, and that's one of the things, and it is Plaid Cymru policy too, so I hope that we'll be voting in Wales at 16 in the very near future.